Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be explaining the GOTO block. So basically what the GOTO block is, it's much easier to move around with. Instead of just going forward, left, right, you can just, I'm just going to show you an example. So I'm going to do import, just start by import turtle. I'm going to make a little game. I'm going to draw a square. And just fill out all this. No, we're not going to do forward. We're going to do t dot go to 0 by 100. Let's just do we don't need this. Let's do screen dot main loop. I'm just going to show you what it does right now. Oh, I don't know why I closed this bracket. Okay, so let's run this. And it should just show one line drawn. Oh, yeah, we forgot to add a lot of screen equal to turtle.screen. Forgot to add that. Now it should work. We have one line down. And let's just go t dot go 100 by 100, t dot go 100 by 0, and then t dot go 0 by 0. And then we should have a full functioning square. Yep. And this is way easier than just doing forward, left, right. And you can just do this with 4 commands and pretty basic dimensions. So this is how I'm going to be explaining the GOTO command. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more Scratch and Python content. Peace.